celebrating 30 years of dedicated.
Our silent winner for your salute of gratitude for our celebration time. And of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
I would like to welcome everyone to this memorable occasion. I hope that we're going to enjoy and going to celebrate the milestone of Mom Phil.
30 years. 30 years of answering calling greater than oneself.
30 years of shaping minds, touching hearts, and transforming lives.
For 3 decades, one woman devoted herself
and 16 years as a school leader, serving 4 schools and leaving behind footprints of excellence wherever she was called to serve.
Today, we celebrate the remarkable journey and enduring legacy of our beloved principal, Ma'am Fe D. Arando.
30 years ago, she answered a call
that continues to thrive today.
She built excellence. She built dreams.
Start a whole day rin. Ngayon namin nakakaroon tayo ng principal ang sinabong palakpak kay Ma'am Fe Arando. Partnership that made reality, no? Sa mga proyekto na akong igogo din pinangagay sa gamit sa atong special education fund. No? Without this partnership, nakiyang permihong ko o bulong sa ato. Ngayon, kanong sa ba nato i-continue atong covered court? Ayan, nahumat yun before you're leaving. Di ba? So, it's because of her constant reminder. Why buwas na reminder every year in and out. But more than that, this is a time to be happy. Okay? Katong ako, gasa ko lang dito, no? Hindi nga pag dahil sa saan. But most importantly, kaya pag dahil sa saan, Godspeed and more blessings to come. in your new journey as a retiring principal of this beloved institution as a national high school. Daghang salamat.
But because you did great, you did great in the service of us and National High School, you are missed. The commitment and dedication of your school principal is endless, selfless.
And God, dili gid mo ma-feel nga aloneness because of you. Grabe gid kayong impact sa mo as a student. All the student here, imo gi-shape to be who they are today. And you, also me, gi-shape ko nimo kung unsa ko karon. I was so doubtful, but you cheering at me, ma'am, sa ako nga kanag ga-down ko, and mudagan gid ko sa imo, and you hug us, and kumusta gid mo good. And wala gid unong nga thank you daghan kayo nga thank you din sa amo gikan sa SSLG, ma'am. And we hope you enjoy your retirement, ma'am. Sa inyo gingon ko lang nga goodbye pension, hello pension na gid, ma'am. And ma'am, love you kayo so much, ma'am.
But if you have this love of children, and that is an indicator that she is a great leader.
Manila for your warm message for Ma'am Fe Orenco. Truly, 1st of July we were shaken by Ma'am Fe's absence.
SPA 10 Guitar Ensemble. A round of applause, please. Our strength, wisdom, and unwavering dedication have shaped not only our school, but also the lives of everyone fortunate enough to work and learn under her guidance. Ma'am, your leadership has inspired excellence. Your courage has helped us overcome challenges, and your compassion has reminded us that education is ultimately about people. You have led with wisdom, served with integrity, and left a legacy that will continue to inspire generations. As you begin this well-deserved retirement, may you embrace this new chapter with the same joy and passion that you have shared with all of us. Though you may be leaving your office, your influence will remain in our hearts forever. Before I end, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Ma'am Fe, to you, ma'am. I am not where I am today without you.
We now understand that your guidance came from a place of sincerity and genuine concern for our growth. For that, we are very grateful. Your legacy is not only reflected in the achievements of this school, but also in the lives you have touched individuals you have inspired. As you begin this new chapter of your life, may your days be filled with good health, peace, joy, and precious moments with your family and loved ones. You have spent many years caring for others. Now it is your time to enjoy the fruits of your hard work and dedication. Congratulations on your well-deserved retirement, Ma'am. While you may be leaving your office, you will never leave our hearts. Your legacy will continue to inspire us from
A tribute from them. A tribute to Ma'am Fe. On behalf of the Goodwill Technical Skills and Computer College family, we extend our heartfelt gratitude and warmest congratulations to Ma'am Fe on your well-deserved retirement. After 16 years of dedicated service as school principal, you leave behind a legacy of integrity, compassion, and unwavering commitment to providing quality education. Your leadership has specifically influenced countless students, teachers, and the entire school community. We are especially grateful for the partnership we have shared through the Joint Delivered Voucher Program since 2017. Hasaka National High School has been one of our valued partners, and during your time as principal, your trust, support, and collaborative spirit helped strengthen this partnership, opening doors for many senior high school students to gain valuable technical and vocational skills. As we enter this new chapter of life, may retirement bring you the time to enjoy the fruits of your years of hard work, create more precious memories with your loved ones, and pursue the things that bring joy and fulfillment. Though you may be retiring from public service, the lives you have touched and the legacy you have behind will continue to inspire generations to come. Thank you, Ma'am Fe, for your dedication, your friendship, and your invaluable support to Goodwill. It has been an honor to work alongside you. Congratulations on your remarkable career, and may God continue to bless you with good health, happiness, and many wonderful years ahead. You will always be a cherished member of the Goodwill family. Please take this small token of appreciation from our partners, senior high school students.
So, teachers, masakit sa ninyo ang mga background noise dito. You know, may pagsada sa eskwelahan, meaning buhay pa yun sila. Of course, to warm us with more message, let us welcome
mga trials na natagpo sa panahon nga nag-ubal ng duha. Amok na gihapon siya nalampasan, nasulbat, nahangkap sa buwan. Kaya di ba man mo, sulbaron ang agay sulbaron. Dili pasagdan ang problema nga magpabilin na pagkaugma, problema lang gihapon. Tungod anak ma'am, salamat jud kaayo. Salamat sa imong gugma, sa imong dedikasyon, nga imong gihatag, sa imong kaugalingon. Dili lang tungod kay usa ko ka stakeholder aning eskwelahan, kay dili isip usa na ka anak ang imong pagtanaw sa atin. Diba? Daghan kaayong salamat
the Department of Education. Thank you tayo kay thank you si Mama. Natagan ko siya chance to serve the institution. And our family wouldn't be here if wala ang DepEd, of course, ang DepEd, and of course,
that's why I'm an only child kay ang iba din yung mga anak kay mga students o mga teachers. So, thank you so much. Continue to learn my mama.
Alright, so thank you so much for
Hulbaan,
your...
ay sa kadyo lang. Hulbaan ko kasi hindi sa ako Sheba. Ako niya, iba story na isla ko mama si Mampe.
Dear Mampe, there are some people who pass through our lives and leave memories. There are others who leave lessons. But there are those rare individuals who leave behind something far greater. A legacy woven into the lives they have touched, the dreams they have nurtured, and the communities they have transformed. To us, you are one of those rare individuals. As a school community, we have been blessed to witness not only your leadership, but also your heart. Through the years, you have led Hasaan National High School with unwavering faith, extraordinary dedication, and a vision that always looked beyond what was and focused on what could be. You dreamed boldly for our school, and through your perseverance, discipline, and resourcefulness, those dreams became realities that we now enjoy and cherish. Sa akong panggingon, you may retire now, but when we look up, Ma'am Fe, through Mayor and Ma'am Carmela, when we look here, that's your legacy. When we look sa sides, imuha na po. When we look at our gate, our pergola, that's yours. When we get inside the office, when we get inside the laboratories, when we get inside STEM, that's you, ma'am. The perimeter fences, the concrete pavements, pathways, everything, that's you. We may not physically see you, but every day, we can remember you. Thank you for believing that every learner deserves an opportunity to succeed. Thank you for creating a school where students are encouraged to discover their gifts, where no one is left behind, and where achievements, whether big or small, are celebrated with genuine pride. That's why we are the home of the achievers. Through your support, countless journalists, athletes, artists, researchers, leaders, and ordinary students learn to believe in themselves because you first believed in them. And that is testified by the former SSLG presidents. Thank you for empowering us teachers and staff. Daghan kay sa amo na promote sa imong tayo, including myself. You trusted us with responsibilities, challenged us to rise above mediocrity, and inspired us through your own example. We have seen your tireless work ethic, your early mornings, your late evenings, your holidays, your weekends, your countless reminders, especially ang kadabutan na good morning, JNHS. Wala niyo ba your careful planning and your willingness to stand with us in every challenge. You never asked from others what you were unwilling to give yourself. Because you gave your all, we found ourselves wanting to give our best. Thank you for building not only classrooms, infrastructures, and facilities, but also a culture. You cultivated an environment where collaboration is valued, excellence is pursued, and service is carried out with integrity and compassion. You strengthen our partnerships with parents, alumni, local government units, and stakeholders. Mind you, ma'am, 220 na si Mayor. He was the first one to arrive. Inanak ka-importante sa mga stakeholders. All our barangay captains are here, former alumni presidents, former SPTA presidents, our partner stakeholders. That's how you made a difference in everyone's lives. Proving that when the community works together, remarkable things happen. Through your leadership here in school, Hasaan National High School became not only better in appearance and performance, but stronger in spirit and united in purpose. During difficult times, especially in moments of uncertainty and crisis, you taught us what courageous leadership looks like. Sa imo pang motto, always positive lang yun lang. You showed us that challenges are not roadblocks, but opportunities to innovate, adapt, and persevere. Your constant reminder to focus on solutions rather than problems became more than just words. It became part of the culture you instilled in us. More than the awards, the projects, and the accomplishments, what we will remember most is the kind of person you have been to us. To many teachers, you became a mentor. To students, a source of encouragement and inspiration. To parents and stakeholders, a trusted partner. To all of us, you became family. A big mom. Yung message sa ako, last message, a mother will always be a mother. So mama, jud ka na mo, ma'am. Who corrected with love, guided with wisdom, celebrated our victories, and stood beside us through all our struggles. Ma'am Fe, thank you for your faith, your strength, your fairness, your wisdom, and your heart. Thank you for carrying responsibilities that many did not see, for making sacrifices that often went unspoken, and for loving this school, Hasaan National High School, and its people, us, the teachers, the students, the parents, with such sincerity and devotion. As you continue to write the next chapters of your life, please know that your influence will remain in the halls of this school, in the programs you established, in the culture you nurtured, and most importantly, in the countless lives you have shaped. And so, on behalf of the teachers, students, parents, alumni, stakeholders, and the entire Hasaan National High School community and family, we simply want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you for leading with a heart. Thank you for serving with excellence. Thank you for making a difference. You have left us more than memories. You have left us a legacy. And so with gratitude, respect, and admiration and love, allow us to give this plaque. May I request, Ma'am Carnila, Kapitan Alan, the legacy of excellence is presented to Ma'am Fedi Arancon, Hasaan National High School Principal, 2015 year Hasaan National High School family. We would also like to present this legacy of excellence celebrating 30 years of dedicated service, the life and leadership of Ma'am Fedi Arancon. May we call Sir Leo and Ma'am Sheba to join us here. And inspire both teachers and parents through your... Let's give a big, big round of applause to Ma'am Fe and her family. School principals from Asaan South District.
Mag-picture niya hapon kayo na kayo.
Leadership, dedicated service, and lasting impact on the students, families, teachers, and community of Hasaan National High School. On behalf of the Parents Teachers Association and the families of Hasaan National High School, dedication and commitment to educational excellence. Your guidance has shaped generation.
Kaya no nga mag-take of photos kaya kung nagpag-retire na ba, ibutang yung ihapon sa...
Okay. Congratulations once again, Matt. And
what I did for the sake of my love for teaching, not knowing that I have already impacted lives of students and teachers. So I am so overwhelmed hearing the testimonies, the descriptions of people I knew. Ngayon inanaday ko kuan sa ila.
Yes.